Hello viewers, today we will do fill in the blanks. First question is medieval period in India extended from, answer is 700 to 1700 CE. Next question is India has been known by dash names through its different historical periods. Answer is varied. Next question is name of India that is mentioned in Rig Veda is, answer is Bharat Varsh. Next question is the name of India that gained its popularity during medieval period was, option. Answer is Hindustan. Next question is India's present name is derived from the river. Answer is Indus.